Study how muted taupe and white trim create a sophisticated modern contrast, while the arched window adds a unique architectural focal point. Observe the prominent gable roof and stone accents on the garage, which provide a grounded, traditional texture to this single-story gray home. Notice how beige stucco and a stone retaining wall create a clean, desert-inspired look that remains low-maintenance and visually organized for suburbs. Light blue siding paired with crisp white trim offers a refreshing coastal aesthetic that enhances the curb appeal of traditional two-story homes. Analyze the use of mixed materials like wooden garage doors and stone accent walls to add warmth and modern depth to exteriors. Central dormer windows provide symmetry and extra light, while a neutral beige palette ensures the home blends seamlessly into any established neighborhood. Conical evergreens and yellow foliage offer year-round color contrast against beige walls, proving that thoughtful landscaping defines a home's first impression. Warm lighting and window wreaths transform a simple triangular roof design into an inviting, cozy retreat that glows beautifully during twilight hours. A pillared porch and arched windows combine classic and modern elements, while a curved driveway adds an elegant flow to the property. Double garage doors and gabled designs maximize functionality and space, while lush greenery softens the transition between the driveway and the home. Dark brown trim and wooden crossbeams create a rustic, craftsman-style finish that adds character and structural interest to a modern single-story layout. Classic brick exteriors provide durability and timeless appeal, especially when paired with simple gabled roofs and clean white garage door accents. Shadows from bare trees can create natural texture on gray siding, highlighting the importance of exterior color choice during different seasonal cycles. Horizontal gray siding and white railings offer a clean, nautical feel, while a wooden porch adds a touch of natural, organic warmth. Bold, dark blue siding creates a striking backdrop for white arched entryways, resulting in a high-contrast, high-end look for modern suburban properties.